Alright, so here we are at the top of the Omega Garden, and right here in this big jungle patch here is our Yukon Gold Potatoes. These guys are getting ready to come out of the ground. Alright, so we've been removing some of these Yukon Golds. This row right here is Kennebecks. They are not ready yet. They just start blooming. We threw them out over here. Like I said, that's just one of our rows. And this is what we got. All these are Yukons. And we've got another pile over there for seed potatoes, and we're just going to go right through here and mow. So yeah, that's not bad for a row of Yukon Golds. We don't have all of them up yet. There's some on the end still growing, but